Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. In this video we're going to look at how you can deploy applications using Amazon Elastic Beanstalk service. We will look at some of the features of Elastic Beanstalk as well as some of the benefits of this service. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. Amazon Elastic Beanstalk is a fully managed service that simplifies deploying and scaling web applications. It handles infrastructure tasks like provisioning, load balancing, scaling, and monitoring, allowing you to focus on writing code. AWS Elastic Beanstalk supports various programming languages and automates tasks like capacity provisioning, load balancing, auto-scaling, and health monitoring, making it easier for developers to deploy applications quickly. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies deployment with easy setup, customizable environments, and automatic scalability to handle traffic. To get started with AWS Elastic Beanstalk, first create an AWS account at aws.amazon.com. Elastic Beanstalk is included in the free tier, allowing you to begin without any cost for small-scale projects. To deploy applications easily, install the AWS Elastic Beanstalk CLI. Follow the official documentation for installation. Use the command ebinit to initialize your environment, select your region, and configure settings. Ensure your web application is ready for deployment. For Python with Flask, include files like requirements.txt for dependencies and application.py as the entry point. To create an Elastic Beanstalk environment, use the AWS Management Console or CLI. This environment will run your web application and provide necessary resources. To create it via CLI, run create-my-environment. Elastic Beanstalk will set up the environment and provide a URL for access. To deploy your web app, ensure your environment is ready. Use the command ebdeploy in the CLI. Elastic Beanstalk will handle packaging, uploading, and deployment. You'll receive a URL to access your app once deployment is complete. Elastic Beanstalk configures auto-scaling and load balancing for your app. You can fine-tune these settings to optimize performance and cost, including setting instance limits and scaling thresholds. Elastic Beanstalk offers built-in tools to monitor your application's health. You can view logs, monitor CPU and memory usage, and receive alerts. Integrate AWS CloudWatch to set up alarms for specific metrics like high CPU usage, triggering scaling or notifications. Elastic Beanstalk simplifies updating your application. Use the ebdeploy command to redeploy updates without downtime. Rolling updates ensure controlled deployment, maintaining application availability. For Elastic Beanstalk deployments, it's crucial to use version control systems like Git. This practice helps track changes and manage deployments efficiently. Ensure environment isolation by using separate environments for development, testing, and production. This helps in thoroughly testing code changes. For cost management, monitor resource usage and use Elastic Beanstalk to scale resources based on traffic demand. In summary, deploying a web app on AWS using Elastic Beanstalk simplifies infrastructure management. Key features include auto-scaling, load balancing, and built-in monitoring. It's ideal for developers and businesses, ensuring high availability and scalability. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a solid overview of Elastic Beanstalk and how you can use it to deploy your applications. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. That's all for now. I hope to see you in another video soon.